A wonderful good day and a warm welcome to a new video. Today, I'd like to take a look with you at a Smart 451. What other details are important to mention? Yes, it's a 2010 model year, a Smart diesel. But it doesn't matter whether it's petrol or diesel. Smart 451. I'd like to reset the service with you and I would say, let's get started. So how do we reset the service? We turn on the ignition and press this button twice quickly. So, ignition off, hold the button down, and ignition on. Make sure that when we press the button twice, this mileage display, that the service indicator then clears. Press the button twice, and it switches over. Just like that, the whole thing is done. So, ignition on, 1, 2, off, press and hold the ignition button firmly and turn it on. Yeah, folks, it's actually pretty simple once you know how to do it. And yeah, if you liked the video, leave a thumbs up, drop a subscription, and write down in the comments if the video helped you and for which cars we should, want to, or can reset the service. And I'd say, see you next time. Bye for now.